How to write 100?
100 is bigger.
It's bigger. How to write 100? 1.
1, 0, 0 make 100.
Ay, galing
To
ah!
make 200.
How to make 200? What makes 200?
2, 0, 0 make 200.
Wow!
Now to make 300.
How to make 300 daw?
3, 0, make 300.
Wow! Galing naman na namin.
Now 2,
Now, ano?
4.
400. Oh. What makes 400?
4,
Hmm?
0, make 400.
Wow! Ang galing ah. Oh, last na pala. 500. What makes 500?
5, 0, 0, make 500.
Yeah! Very good! Ang galing naman ni Bidami.